on my way to a bird sanctuary. It's about an hour away. Supposedly it's a nice peaceful place to do a little hiking. Traveling down the road, heading to Phom something bird sanctuary. Nice cloud cover today, giving me a nice cool temperature. I think it's probably low 80s right now, maybe 81. Breeze is nice and cool. So I'm just outside of Ben Tre. I'm still in the Ben Tre province. No, actually it's called Vinh Long now. Vinh Long or Vinh Long. The whole country of Vietnam reorganized their provinces, reducing the number overall and organizing the government to what people say will mean they'll have more control throughout the country. Not sure what that means for the future, but they're probably following the Chinese pattern when it comes to communist government control, implementing some kind of social grading system, digitizing everything, monitoring behavior. So not exactly what we want to see. But time will tell. For me, I'm pretty much free to live as I like, as long as I don't publicly criticize the government or talk politics. We got a big truck full of coconuts. This is the coconut capital of Vietnam. Very famous coconuts coming out of this area, shipped all over the world actually. A little smaller, sweeter than your average coconut. As you can see, people of all ages are driving on the road. You see young kids with their electric bicycles. Anything under 50 cc does not require a license, and many of the young kids ride them, like that guy, ride them without any kind of formal training, testing, nothing like that. So when you're driving these roads, you have to deal with total chaos. Not only are the adults mostly driving without any knowledge of the rules, or maybe they don't care, they don't get much training at all to get a motorcycle license. You do require a lot of training and testing to get a car license, but not motorcycle. So the drivers of the cars are usually very cautious, very good drivers. They follow the rules. They're very safe. You know, if anything, they drive too slow and careful. And then you got the motorcycles, which are mostly what's on the road, driving every which direction, making turns without looking, coming on to the street without looking. It's just driving different direction on the wrong side of the road. Just all kinds of crazy stuff. And then you got these people trying to pass, like him, constantly. Now, I was just telling you the drivers of cars were careful. Not all of them, as you can tell. It's common for a motor vehicle to pass the motorcycles and expect all the motorcycles on the other side of the road to get out of their way. So that happens all the time, especially with the trucks and the buses. I'm just about to my destination. This is what's called bird sanctuary. Never been here before. Seemed like it would be a place worth visiting. Moto. This is it here, Moto.
To the river.
Just certain times of the day?
Yeah, and if you want to see them, you need to go maybe in the morning, or when the water flow like that.
When I set out this morning, I thought I was going to a location where I could just do some outdoor hiking in the nice weather we're having these days. And when I searched on Google for good hiking locations,
the young people,
this bird
they're over
sanctuary
here swimming,
was
and
in
I've
the
seen
search.
something like that
But
in
when
Ventura.
I
They compete,
arrived here,
they
I was
play
told
games.
they don't just let you go in and wander around. There's an entrance fee of about $5, but that includes a private tour. So they assign a tour guide to take you around the property, the bird
So that's
sanctuary.
part of the
So
curriculum
I was
at
assigned
school.
a nice lady who
Uh,
you can see here was explaining the surroundings and some of the history, and made it kind of a pleasant experience.
outside, outdoor. Yeah, and they need somewhere to
Uh-huh.
learn about biology, history, learn about science. Yeah.
I'm going to see if this thing works, actually. I've never used it before, so.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah, this little selfie thing. I don't know if I'm in the frame, but we'll see. So the kids are here as a requirement
Mm.
to finish what, high school?
Mm.
High school. They're they have to pass this class
Mm.
to get finished with high school.
Yeah.
Is it a high school group?
Yeah. After high school, go university.
Okay.
They no. Today in whole century.
Oh yeah.
In the whole century, we have 3 heritage tree recognized in July. The first, the second, and the third. These are ficus tree, and
What kind of tree?
yeah,
What kind of tree is that?
ficus, Ficus.
Figure.
Yeah.
Fig. Oh, Figus. Figs, like a fig tree. C U
Ficus.
S.
Yeah.
Oh, ficus, I think is how you. Oh, okay, ficus tree. Okay.
Ficus tree. Yeah, and because it's they are harvest lotus. In Vietnam, we can use the lotus, the tree, to make a salad.
Okay, right.
Yeah. The root of
Yeah, that's right. I've eaten that before.
and community staff. 19% staff in this village.
Ah,
Live in this village. Like me,
uh-huh.
it's about 20 minutes from my home to my office.
To come here.
Yeah, come here.
Oh,
Very near. And they also like me. Yeah, very near.
uh-huh. Oh, that makes it nice.
Yeah, and if you want to have for our livestock, the cui.
Cool.
Cui in Vietnamese called cui. And you can see the road look like wave.
Oh, yeah.
Wave. And it have keep the soil for the forest.
It keeps the soil?
Yeah, keep it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's different.
Root of koi. Kui. Yeah.
That's fruit?
This is fruit inside a seed. Yeah, heavy.
Mm.
It's heavy.
What's in it? A seed? I guess.
The seed inside.
Mm.
It's very heavy.
Yeah, it feels heavy.
And some people say that it look like a coffee bean.
Mm. Ah. So this is the bird sanctuary we're in now? Is this considered the bird sanctuary? Yeah.
Because in 1986 the bird come here. The forest is they want in Vietnam when they see something cabbage. Yeah, very fresh organic food, organic vegetable,
Mm-hmm.
and you see a kind of flower. Vạn thọ. Vạn means 10,000.
10,000.
Thọ means very old. A person who very old.
Mm.
Yeah, thọ.
Ka?
Sống thọ means live very old.
Mm.
Yeah, and when that Lunar New Year, the lump.
As I was finishing up the tour, we ran into a group of school kids who were there for the weekend. You eat, and as usual, they're very curious whenever they see a foreigner, at least in the more remote locations in Vietnam. Kevin, Ten La Zi? Ten La Zi? Ten La Zi? Hả? Tên là Trúc. Trúc Bon, okay. Ah, Trúc, nice to meet you. Kevin.
Where are you from?
From America, California. You been there? You like? You been there? Have you been?
Nice to meet you.
Okay, you too.
Goodbye.
Very good. Goodbye. Sawasdee Krap. You speak Thai? Sawasdee Krap. Just ended my tour around the bird sanctuary, coconut farm. Now to make my way back